The future isn't just about the next gadget, it's about radical shifts that will redefine how we live, work, and explore. Today we're counting down 18 breakthrough technologies that are already reshaping our world. From quantum computing and fusion energy to humanoid robots and space habitats, these aren't sci-fi, they're real, and they're happening now. These innovations could solve humanity's biggest challenges and unlock possibilities we've only dreamed of. Let's dive into the top 18 emerging technologies that will change the world. Let's start with a revolution in computing: IBM's quantum computer. Classical computers use bits, ones and zeros, but quantum computers use qubits, which can be both at once. This unlocks staggering computational power, letting us solve problems that would take classical supercomputers billions of years. Imagine designing new medicines, battery chemistries, or AI models in a fraction of the time. IBM's quantum machines are moving from lab experiments to real-world tools, tackling challenges once thought unsolvable. This isn't just a faster computer, it's a new way of thinking about computation. The quantum era is here. Next, nuclear fusion: clean, safe, and nearly limitless energy. Proxima fusion is advancing stellarator technology using twisted magnetic fields to contain plasma hotter than the sun's core. Fusion uses abundant fuel from water, produces no greenhouse gases, and could run continuously. If successful, it means an end to fossil fuels and energy that's always available, powering cities and industries sustainably. The engineering challenge is massive, but the payoff is a truly sustainable future. Fusion could transform our world. The race is on. Robotics is evolving fast. Meet Eve from 1X, a general-purpose android designed for real-world environments. Eve uses a wheeled base for stability and dexterous arms for tasks from moving boxes to assisting in hospitals. Powered by advanced AI and human-in-the-loop training, Eve learns by watching and adapting, not just following scripts. The goal: robots that handle dull, dirty, and dangerous jobs, freeing humans for creative work. Eve is a glimpse of a future where robots are as common as computers in the workplace. The age of practical humanoid robots is beginning. Collaboration, not replacement, is the vision. Hardware is the backbone of progress, and Micron is redefining memory and storage. Their high-bandwidth memory, HBM, stacks chips vertically, creating massive data pipelines for AI, real-time processing, and more. This tech is critical for everything from self-driving cars to creative work and next-gen laptops. Faster, denser, and more efficient memory widens the highways for all our data. It's a foundational innovation powering the future's most demanding applications. Micron's breakthroughs are quietly supercharging the digital world. The future runs on fast memory. Today, quantum hardware is evolving rapidly. Quera's Willow chip uses neutral atoms held by lasers, forming a programmable quantum grid. This architecture is scalable and allows complex interactions, perfect for optimization problems in logistics, science, and more. Willow isn't just a research project, it's a commercial tool for real-world challenges. Quantum computing is moving from theory to practice. New architectures like Willow are key to unlocking quantum's full potential. The quantum revolution is accelerating. The future of problem-solving is quantum. Air travel is going electric. Quiet, zero-emission aircraft are set to transform short-haul flights and urban mobility. Advances in batteries and electric motors mean quieter, cleaner, and more affordable flights. Imagine airports where the loudest sound is the wind, not engines. Electric planes can open new routes, reduce noise pollution, and lower costs. Designs range from commuter planes to air taxis. Challenges remain, but the trajectory is clear. Electric aviation is taking off. Lab-grown meat is here. Real animal meat grown from cells, no slaughter required. Cultivated meat slashes land, water use, and emissions while improving food safety and animal welfare. Cells grow in bioreactors, forming genuine muscle and fat tissue. The result: sustainable, ethical, and safe meat. Scaling up and cutting costs are the next hurdles. This is a fundamental rethink of food production. The future of protein is cultivated. How will we interact with tomorrow's tech? Apple's Vision Pro and Vision OS offer a glimpse. Spatial computing blends digital and physical worlds, turning walls into screens, objects into interactive models, and calls into lifelike experiences. Controlled by eyes, hands, and voice, it feels like magic. Each update brings us closer to seamless mixed reality. This is the next major computing paradigm after the smartphone. The digital and physical are merging. 3D printed organs could end transplant shortages. Bioprinting uses a patient's own cells to print hearts and other organs, layer by layer, guided by medical scans. The result, living organs that are a perfect genetic match, eliminating rejection risks. Early successes with tissues are paving the way for full organs. This is a paradigm shift in regenerative medicine. The body becomes its own repair kit. The future of transplants is printing. Behind every breakthrough is robust infrastructure. NTT Data builds the digital backbone for smart cities, AI, and secure networks. Their work enables real-time traffic management, smart grids, and public safety platforms. They're also pioneering next-gen networks, faster, more efficient, and lower power. This foundational work connects all the tech on this list. NTT Data is quietly building the nervous system of our future world. The future runs on invisible infrastructure. Space architecture is turning science fiction into reality. We're designing habitats for the moon, Mars, and orbit, structures that are safe, livable, and even comfortable. Solutions include 3D printed habitats from local materials, inflatable modules, and robotic construction. The challenge: protect against harsh space conditions while supporting human well-being. Space architecture blends engineering, design, and psychology. The homes of future explorers are being drawn up now. Kawasaki's Alice system redefines robotics not as replacements but as partners. Alice amplifies human strength and precision, guided by intuitive AI and human operators. The robot learns from its user, making movements smoother and more efficient. Applications range from manufacturing to remote surgery and disaster response. It's about synergy, combining human intelligence with robotic power. The future of work is human-robot teams. Drones are saving lives in dangerous situations. The Lemur 2 from Brink is built for first responders. It's tough, can flip itself upright, and carries tools for communication, breaking glass, and delivering supplies. With night vision and thermal cameras, it sees through smoke and darkness. Instead of risking lives, responders send in the drone first. It's a game changer for public safety and disaster response. Robotics are making tough jobs safer. The future of rescue is airborne. The ISS era is ending. Commercial space stations are next. VAST's Haven 1 will spin to create artificial gravity, making long-term space living healthier. It's a platform for research and manufacturing, and even tourism. By enabling a space economy, companies like VAST are making humanity multi-planetary. The next chapter in space is commercial, sustainable, and open to all. The future of orbit is business and beyond. AI is evolving toward artificial general intelligence systems that can learn, reason, and plan across domains. Next-gen models like G1, T4, M1, N1 are exploring new architectures and advanced reasoning. These AIs could act as powerful assistants, research partners, and problem solvers. The potential is immense, but so are the ethical questions. AGI could accelerate discovery in every field. The boundaries of machine intelligence are expanding. Fusion rockets could revolutionize space travel. By harnessing fusion energy, rockets could reach Mars in weeks, not months. Faster journeys mean less radiation and psychological strain for crews. This tech could open the entire solar system to exploration. The engineering challenge is huge, but the payoff is interplanetary travel. Fusion propulsion is the key to becoming a spacefaring species. The race to Mars is heating up. The Planiform is a smart indoor garden for your home. Using hydroponics and fogponics, it grows food with 95% less water and no soil. AI monitors and adjusts conditions for perfect growth. Fresh herbs, greens, even strawberries. This means year-round, pesticide-free produce harvested at home. It's about food security, sustainability, and zero food miles. As cities grow, personal food production will be essential. The future of food is local, fresh, and tech-powered. The future isn't one invention, it's the convergence of all these breakthroughs. AI will help design fusion rockets, advanced memory will power spatial computing, robotics will build space habitats. These aren't distant dreams, they're projects shaping our world right now. Clean energy, smarter AI, and medical miracles are already rippling outward. We're at a hinge point in history with tools to solve age-old problems and unlock new potential. The transition won't be smooth, but the trajectory is forward. The future we imagined is being prototyped, and we all have a front row seat. That's 18 technologies reshaping our world, from quantum leaps to homegrown food. Each could be the catalyst for humanity's next great leap. Which one will change everything first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more future-forward content. Thanks for watching. The future is now. See you next time.